Hey there, quantum enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of quantum computing and how cultivating the right mindset can help us unleash its full potential. First things first, embracing a growth mindset is key. Quantum computing is a complex field that requires continuous learning and adaptability. By approaching challenges with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn from failures, we can push the boundaries of what's possible. Secondly, fostering a spirit of collaboration is essential in the world of quantum computing. The most groundbreaking discoveries often come from diverse teams working together, sharing ideas, and building on each other's strengths. By fostering a collaborative mindset, we can create a supportive environment where innovation thrives. Remember, the power of quantum computing lies not just in the technology itself, but in the mindset of those who harness it. So, let's cultivate a growth mindset and embrace collaboration as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of quantum computing. Together, we can unlock the full potential of this revolutionary technology and shape the future of computing. Let's do this. Dizzy #quantum computing #innovation #collaboration. Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Today, let's talk about how discipline can transform your smart home. First off, discipline can help you create routines that maximize efficiency. By setting specific times for your smart devices to turn on or off, you can save energy and streamline your daily tasks. Next, discipline can enhance security in your smart home. By regularly updating passwords, checking for software updates, and monitoring your home's activity, you can ensure that your smart devices are protected from potential threats. By implementing discipline in your smart home, you can truly unlock its full potential and enjoy a more seamless and secure living experience. So, why not give it a try today? Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, a little discipline goes a long way in transforming your smart home into a truly smart sanctuary. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 key areas self-driving cars must focus on to ensure a safe and efficient future. First and foremost, self-driving cars must prioritize safety above all else. This means accurate detection of obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles to prevent accidents and ensure passenger safety. Next, these autonomous vehicles must master the art of decision-making. From choosing the best route to handling unexpected situations on the road, self-driving cars must be programmed to make split-second decisions that prioritize safety and efficiency. In addition to safety and decision-making, self-driving cars must also focus on connectivity. This includes communication with other vehicles and infrastructure to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion on the roads. Ultimately, self-driving cars must prioritize adaptability and continuous learning. As technology evolves,
Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and the impact of success on its development. As AI continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, the question arises, who will thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape? The answer lies in those who embrace change, innovation, and continuous learning. One key aspect of success in the AI industry is adaptability. The ability to quickly pivot and adjust to new technologies and trends can mean the difference between thriving and falling behind. Another crucial factor is collaboration. By working together and sharing knowledge, we can accelerate the development of AI and create a more sustainable and ethical future for all. In the end, those who will thrive in the world of artificial intelligence are the ones who are willing to take risks, embrace challenges, and push the boundaries of what is possible. So let's join forces, push the limits, and create a brighter future for all. Remember, the future is in our hands. Let's make it a successful one together. Thank you for watching. Hey there, quantum enthusiasts. Today, I want to share with you 3 mindset hacks that will boost your confidence in the world of quantum computing. First off, it's important to embrace the unknown. Quantum computing is a complex and constantly evolving field, so it's okay not to have all the answers right away. By accepting that there is still so much to learn, you can approach challenges with a sense of curiosity and openness. Now, let's talk about the power of persistence. Quantum computing can be challenging, but don't let setbacks discourage you. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. In conclusion, by embracing the unknown, staying persistent, and believing in yourself, you can boost your confidence in the world of quantum computing. So go out there and tackle those quantum challenges with a positive mindset. Uplifting ending sentence, you've got this, quantum warriors. Keep pushing the boundaries and exploring the amazing world of quantum computing.